Good day, everyone. My name is Putri Khalida from Pajajaran University, and today I will present my research titled The Representation of Sandwich Generation and Family Dynamics in the Film Home Sweet Home 2024. This study examines the cultural and societal dynamics of the sandwich generation in Indonesia, particularly focusing on gender inequality and the symbolism of home. So let us dive into the core aspects of this research. Okay, first, the research background. The concept of sandwich generation refers to individuals who care for both their aging parents and their children, creating a dual burden. This phenomenon is intensified in Indonesia due to collectivist cultural norms that prioritize extended family harmony over individual needs. This can lead to significant emotional and financial stress, especially for women who often bear the greater share of responsibility. The film of Home Sweet Loan serves as a cultural reflection of these dynamics. It offers a lens to analyze how media portrays these societal issues, particularly gender inequality and the symbolic importance of home ownership as a marker of independence and stability. The primary question driving this research is, how does the film Home Sweet Loan represent the challenges faced by the sandwich generation in extended families, particularly in terms of gender roles and the symbolism of home? This question forms the foundation for the analysis that follows. The objectives of this study are threefold. First, to explore the dynamics of the extended families and the burdens placed on the sandwich generation. Second, to examine gender inequality in the distribution of financial and domestic responsibilities. And third, to interpret the symbolism of home as a representation of economic independence and middle class aspirations. The methodology employs a qualitative approach grounded in Stuart Hall's theory and representation. In Stuart Hall's theory of representation and Berger and Luckman's social construction theory. These frameworks allows us to analyze how societal norms are portrayed and reinforced through media. The data were collected through direct observation of the film, focusing on the key scenes, dialogues, and visual elements. This was complemented by secondary data from promotional materials such as trailers and teasers of the film. The analysis employed textual, symbolic, and critical discourse techniques to uncover deeper cultural meanings. The findings The findings of this study reveal three main points. Gender inequality, the main character, Kaluna, bears disproportionate financial and domestic burdens compared to the other family members. And second, financial pressures. Kaluna supports her extended family while receiving minimal contribution from her siblings. This dynamic mirrors real-life challenges faced by the sandwich generation in Indonesia. And third, symbolism of home. The house represents Kaluna's aspirations for independence and stability, highlighting the tension between collective family obligations and individual goals. The film Home Sweet Loan offers a critique of gender inequalities within Indonesia's collectivist culture. It portrays the sandwich generation struggle in a way that aligns with findings by Parker and Patton at 2013, who note that the increasing financial strain on this group of sandwich generation. Furthermore, the home is a powerful symbol of independence and personal freedom. In the film, Kaluna's desire to own her own home reflects her need to escape the demands of her extended family while also addressing her aspiration for economic stability. And conclusion of this research, this study highlights the dual burden faced by the sandwich generation, particularly women in Indonesia's extended family system. The home emerged as a significant symbol of independence and middle-class aspirations. And, and then the contribution of this research provide critical insight into gender inequality and the dynamics of collectivist family culture, offering a framework for understanding how media shapes societal perception of these issues. And the recommendation for this research, future studies should explore audience perceptions to better understand the cultural of such representations in media. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this representation has provided valuable insight into the struggles of the sandwich generation and the ways media like Home Sweet Loan movie reflects and critiques societal norms. And I'm open questions to and discussion if there are any. Thank you.